The next topic is on functions. बहुत सुने होंगे आपने functions. बार बार function 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 आता है. होता क्या है function? What the hell is a function? So it's a special type of a relationship. Okay, that is known as a function, a special type of relation. So function की जो requirement होती है, what is the requirement of a function? First of all, I have told you this. I am defining a relation from a set A to a set B. Okay. And I am sending some elements here, 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 here. So requirement of a function is every element in the domain must have exactly one image. Okay, if you don't know about what is an image, so it's very simple. ये जो मैं बोलती हूँ ना, A B belonging to R, so B is the image of A and A is the pre-image of B. If A is going to be ऐसे जा रहा है तो A की इमेज बन गई B, और अगर मुझे B को बैकवर्ड ट्रेस करना है सो B की प्री इमेज है A. So every element in the domain must have exactly one image. This is the requirement of a function. Okay. Vedika, in the last question, the relation of 6 with itself, no, it will not matter because 6 is not in the domain in that question. 6 has to be in the domain. Okay. Okay. So we are here. Requirement of a function. Every element in the domain must have exactly one image. चलिए इसके example देखते हैं. अच्छा, अगर if I denote a relation like this 1 1 1 2 2 4 3 6, suppose I have a relation like this, is this a function? Is this a function? Can you please try to answer this question? Is this a function? Put the answer in the chat box. Okay. Yes, because you see 1 is related to 1, 1 is related to 2. So 1 is going to 1, 1 is going to 2. Not acceptable. हमें ये बिल्कुल भी मंजूर नहीं है. Not acceptable. This is not a function. So this is the basic difference between a relation and a function. So one question that you can get is check whether or is the following relation a function or not. Something like that. So this is the requirement of a function. I want exactly, one image. Okay. So function की definition clear हो गई है. उसके बाद let us try to find out, domain of a function. Okay. So if f is a function, then its domain consists of all the values for which fx is defined. Okay. So what do you mean domain of about, like, what do you mean by domain of a function? So domain consists of all the values for which fx is defined. Example, if I take fx to be under root of x, okay, what is the domain? Domain fx is defined when x is greater than or equal to 0, because square root of a negative number is not possible. Okay, so fx is defined only for non-negative numbers. So what is the domain? The domain is set of all non-negative real numbers. If you want to write it in language, write it like this. If you know how to write interval, write it like this. This is 0, it is included, and I'm going like this. So this is closed at 0 and we are going till infinity. Okay. Wasim, no, the domain is not the set of whole numbers. Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. The square root is also defined for 1.1. So that's wrong. अगर इसी क्वेश्चन के 4 ऑप्शन आ गए, this is a function and find out the domain of this function, and if one is the set of all non-negative real numbers and one option is set of whole numbers, it is wrong. Because I said domain consists of all the values. All the values, सारी values को include करना है जिसके लिए fx defined है. Yes, whole number is a part of domain of fx, but it is not the whole domain of fx. Domain of a function consists of the set of all the values for which the function is defined. That is what is meant by domain of a function. I hope I have made myself clear on this domain of a function. Yes, Wasim, are you satisfied? All right. Now, Shivang has asked me a question. शिवांग ने बोला है कि ये जो होता है पैराबोला y square equals to 4ax, it is not a function. पहली बात तो किसका फंक्शन, y का फंक्शन कि x का फंक्शन? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू स्पेसिफाई y as a function of x or x as a function of y. First of all, you should have this question in mind, because generally in mathematics we write y equals to fx is a function, but what about x equals to fy? Okay, पहले तो इस बात का ध्यान रखना. Okay, then if you see y square equals to 4ax, and if I assume that a is positive, then y is equal to plus minus under root 4ax. So y is taking two values. For each value of x, y, अगर मेरा x comma y है function में, okay, belongs to the function. So for each value of x, I have two values of y. This is not a function. और आप diagram draw करके देखिए. Y square equals to 4x will look something like this. So for each x, you will have two values of y. एक इधर, एक इधर. Each x, two values of y. One here, one here. Very simple. This is also known as vertical line test. Vertical line test to check whether a function, vertical line test to check whether a function y is equal to fx, a relation is a function or not. Okay, Shivang, have I made myself clear, Shivang? This is not a function. Okay. Now Shivang is saying x square equals to 4ay. Okay. X square equals to 4ay. So it is going to take this kind of form. ये अगर a positive होगा तो ये वाली form होगी. So you can see that for each x there is exactly one y. आप देख लो ना यहाँ से. So y is actually x square by 4a. This is equal to f of x. So your f of x is equal to x square by 4a. So for each x you have exactly one value. So yes, this is a function. Yes, Shivang, satisfied? Okay. Remember one thing. Suppose आपके पास ये सर्कल है. Okay. And this is origin 0 0 and this is इसका radius 1 है. So this is 1, this is minus 1, this is plus 1, this is minus 1. So the equation is x square plus y square is equal to 1. So your y square is equal to 1 minus x square. So y is equal to plus minus under root 1 minus x square. ये कभी भी function नहीं होगा. और इतना मैथमेटिकली करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, डायग्राम देख लो, ये देखो वर्टिकल लाइन टेस्ट फेल हो रहा है। ओके, इसको फंक्शन बनाने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, सिर्फ ये वाला पोर्शन अगर आप लोगे सेमी सर्कल above the x axis, this is going to be a function, or if you take only the lower portion, this is going to be a function. So अगर आपको टेक्निकल आंसर लिखने के लिए आ जाए, that if they give you equation of a circle, first they will ask you, does this represent y as a function of x? Yes or no? If no, please explain. Then you will give this explanation. Vertical line test fails. Or you can say that y is taking two values for one value of x. And then they can ask you, construct a way or advise a method by which you can write, this as a function, y as a function of x. So you can say we can take the semicircle on the upper half, or we can take the lower half semicircle, and we can get a function. Okay, so even from small concepts you can be asked lengthy questions. वर्टिकल लाइन टेस्ट का मतलब होता है, देखिए, जनरली y इक्वल्स टू एफ एक्स सपोज फंक्शन है, इसका क्या मतलब है, y इज ए y इज एक्सप्रेस्ड इन टर्म्स ऑफ x, मुझे पता ही नहीं कि फंक्शन है कि नहीं, ठीक है, मैं फंक्शन बोल ही नहीं, y is expressed in terms of x, इसका क्या मतलब है, सपोज समथिंग लाइक दिस। ओके, वर्टिकल लाइन टेस्ट का मतलब है ये x चुनो, एक लाइन खींचो, बेसिक बात क्या है, मुझे x के लिए इमेज ढूंढनी है, so I choose an x and I try to make a vertical line, the point where it intersects is the image of that x. What did I tell you about function, one x cannot have more than one value. ओके, नाउ वर्टिकल लाइन टेस्ट का मतलब है अगर मेरा फंक्शन इस टाइप का हो गया, दैट मीन्स अगर मेरा रिलेशन इस टाइप का हो गया, फंक्शन नहीं, तो ये मैंने कोई एक्स चूज करा और मैं देख रही हूँ उसकी तो दो इमेज बन गई, ये देखो एक इधर एक इधर, कैसे बनेगा फंक्शन, फंक्शन की बेसिक डेफिनेशन है, एवरी एलिमेंट इन द डोमेन शुड हैव एग्जैक्टली वन इमेज, इफ इट हैज मोर देन वन इमेज इट इज नॉट ए फंक्शन एट ऑल। आप देख लीजिए, आप ऐसे स्पाइरल बना लो, इज दिस अ फंक्शन, नो, इट इज फेलिंग वर्टिकल लाइन टेस्ट, एक वर्टिकल लाइन अगर दो पॉइंट पे मिल जाए, नॉट अ फंक्शन। ओके, आई होप आई हैव मेड माई सेल्फ क्लियर। अंकिता, yes, any other questions on functions, whether how to identify a function graphically or just by twisting the equation? Okay.